Hello there, my lovelies, my allergy warriors. Ready to turn your sneezes into breezes? If you sneeze, itch, or break any sign of a smile, or just learn something new, you have to subscribe. Of course, at this point, I'll take a thumbs down. Spring is here, and while the flowers are blooming and the birds are singing, you're over there sounding like a foghorn and feeling like you've been hit by a pollen tsunami. Achoo! Achoo! But fear not. Today, I'm here to save your spring with some natural, sassy, and oh-so-lovely allergy relief hacks. Let's get this pollen party started. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, it's time to make friends with local honey. Eating a spoonful of local honey every day can help your body build a tolerance to the pollen in your area. It's like a sweet little vaccine minus the needle. But remember, only give it to people you like because it sticks around, sweetens the mood, and drips with confidence. Next, let's talk about the magic of quercetin. No, it's not a spell from Harry Potter. Quercetin is a natural compound found in apples, onions, and green tea that acts like a natural antihistamine. Wingardium Leviosa, your allergies away. So go ahead and munch on that apple and sip on that green tea. Your nose will thank you. Now how about a little spring cleaning? Time to channel your inner Marie Kondo. Dust mites and pet dander are like tiny ninjas, always sneaking into your home. Hi-ya! Wash your bedding weekly in hot water, vacuum with a HEPA filter, and give your furry friends regular baths. Clean house, Happy Nose. Your sinuses will thank you. Trust me, they'll be singing your praises. Speaking of sinus relief, let's get steamy. No, not that kind of steamy, young ladies. Jesus! A hot shower or steam inhalation can work wonders for clearing those nasal passages. It's like a spa day for your nose. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, and you've got yourself a mini spa experience. Ah, bliss. Have you tried stinging nettle tea? No, not steaming kettle, stinging nettle. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. I know it sounds terrifying, but this herb is like nature's antihistamine. It's the Hulk of herbs. It can help reduce inflammation and ease your symptoms. Hulk smash those allergies. Just steep some dried nettle leaves in hot water and sip away. Your sinuses will be doing a happy dance since they've finally cleared all their issues. And while we're talking tea, don't forget about good old chamomile. It's like a warm hug in a cup. This gentle flower can help relax your respiratory system and reduce allergy symptoms. Sip, relax, repeat. Plus, it's like a warm, soothing hug in a cup. Who doesn't need that? Seriously, like who on this planet Earth doesn't need that? Let's not forget the power of probiotics. They're like the bouncers of your gut. A healthy gut can help your immune system respond better to allergens. Gut feeling, anyone. Yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are all great sources of these friendly bacteria. Let those good bugs do their thing. They get invited to the party for a reason. They know how to cultivate a good time, my friend. Your gut will be throwing a party. Finally, spice things up with some turmeric. It's like the golden ticket to allergy relief. This golden spice is a potent anti-inflammatory and can help ease your allergy symptoms. It's like magic dust for your food. Add it to your cooking or make a delicious turmeric latte. Your taste buds and your sinuses will be doing a happy dance. They'll be like, oh Lord, we're about to make some questionable decisions up in here. So there you have it, my lovely allergy sufferers. A few natural ways to kick those pesky symptoms to the curb and enjoy the beauty of spring. Now show everyone how funny I am by liking, subscribing, and telling your best friend about the natural hacks for allergies you've learned today. Remember, these tips are meant to complement, not replace. Continue any treatments your doctor has recommended. Always listen to the doc. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy this spring. Sharing is caring. Until next time, breathe easy and enjoy those blossoms.